Hey guys, we're here with Steve with SEAK Adventures, and he come over to get some welding done. I was going to TIG some of this stuff, but as you can see, there's so many angles and crevices. I decided to use the spool gun for it. I got a Miller 30 amp spool gun. It sits here, it just shoots the wire out the end. It's not as pretty as TIG, but it's so much faster, and we needed to have it to do this right here because there's a lot of holding, and the TIG is just it's too hard. It's a Miller Spool-O-Matic 30A. I've had really good luck with it. I traded parts from my old Nova to get this. Stay tuned here, we're going to put some more cross bracing in. We put all this in this morning to give it some structural rigidity, and we're going to come across the top here, and this is going to be a window opening eventually, and also across the top. So stay tuned, I can show you how the gun works. It's fast, it spits out a lot of, I have it set right now to spit 440 inches a minute out, so it spits it out pretty good. So in order to do a pass, I take the brush and I'll give it a little scuff. Even though it's clean, it just still helps. Stainless steel, don't use a steel one, it'll impregnate steel into it. Even though these will burn through quite a bit more than you can get away with on a TIG. This is basically just the wire feed. The little wire case goes in on top. Inside here, you can adjust your wheels, and it's got a gear. When I pull the trigger, it'll shoot it out. And the settings, I can adjust it on the bottom. And the inside of the welding machine, there's a panel that'll show you adjustability just to get you going, and you can go from there. But it's every time I will start, I always I'll clip the ball off the end when you're done. There's a little ball. It gives you a better start at the beginning of your weld. So yeah, here I'll burn one right now. My spectacles here. There's the little ball I'm talking about. I snipped that off. I got 2 gloves on this side because it burns so hot. So you get a clean start every time, and it makes a difference. Just a little tip, you can do it or you don't have to. They burn black because of the gas and the polishing off. Clean, you can see around there and stuff. Well, we've made some progress. We're just continuing to structurally cage it all in to get as much integrity out of it as possible. So I just changed a roll of wire. I've used 1 roll on my spool already, and we've been working since approximately 10 o'clock this morning. I have no idea what time it is right now.
3 p.m.
4 o'clock. So we'll put another hour or so in and clean up, and we'll be back.
So overall, how did the build go?
I thought it went pretty good. I thought we got a fair bit of, actually a lot done today. Honestly, I would say, wouldn't you?
We got a lot done.
We got a lot done.
I cut pieces, clamped them in, and you did all the work.
Fast as it went, we glued them.
Good team.
We had some fun with it.